talking of my project PDF Master. PDF Master is an AI-powered PDF management platform that allows users to securely upload, manage and edit and generate documents. The platform combines traditional PDF editing features with AI-assisted document generation, making it a complete solution for document management. This is the landing page. You can see. You can sign in here. So like this, you can log in with your email and password. Otherwise, you can create a new account. After logging into this account, you can just clearly see this is the dashboard, which contains my file, iFile, PDF tools and AI assistant. Here you can upload your files from your file explorer, and this is my profile. So I can show you this is my profile. Here you can see full name like email address from which you have logged in, and today you are created your account. So this is today's date. So we'll go to the dashboard. So here my files, as I said, there are files. So these are the PDF tools. You can merge the PDF and split the PDF, compress it, convert Word file to PDF or PDF document to Word. And most importantly, this is AI powered, so you can select a PDF here, and here it will generate its summary. So let me show you. It will generate summary of this PDF. So this is the summary of this PDF. So let me ask questions. You can ask your question to the chatbot, it will answer. So what can we ask the question? So as I asked a question, the chatbot is answering. As you can see here, this responds according to the file you have uploaded. So this is it. You can just see the things. Now we'll see the code behind this. Whatever code I have applied, you can see this. Now I'll explain the code structure of my project. Our project follows a client-server architecture with a clear separation between the front-end, back-end and the shared modules. The root folder is, there are three main folders: client, server and shared. This client folder contains front-end and the server folder contains back-end, and the shared folder contains TypeScript types and validation schemas. So this is the client folder. The front end is built using Next.js app router. So in this app, this folder contains all the application pages and routing. So this you can see all the application pages and routing. Each folder inside app represents a root. For example, login page, register page, dashboard, PDF tools. Whenever user visits a page, Next.js renders the corresponding React component. And here, features. This contains feature specific business logic. Instead of writing all logic inside a component, every feature has its own service and utilities. For example, when the user clicks split PDF, the function inside the PDF feature prepares the request and send it to the backend. And you can see hooks here. This contains React hook. These hooks simplify data fetching, state management and API communication. Instead of repeating code in multiple components, the reusable hooks improve code quality. So this folder contains utility files. One important file is the API client. Every API request passes through this client. It automatically attacks the JWT access token and handles unauthorized responses. Next we'll go for server folder. This is the backend folder which follows a clean architecture, a presentation layer. This is the first layer of that receive client request. It contains Express.js route controller middleware. When a request arrives, the route forwards it to the appropriate controller. Application layer. This is the heart of the application. Every feature has its own use case. For example, split PDF use case, merge PDF use case, and compress PDF use case. Infrastructure layer communicates with external systems. It includes Prisma ORM, PostgreSQL database, file storage, logger, AI service. Instead of writing SQL manually, Prisma generates type-safe database queries. Domain layer it contains entities and interfaces. It defines the application business rules without depending on Express and PostgreSQL or any framework. This makes the application easier to maintain and test. So next is the database. The application uses PostgreSQL. Prisma ORM maps database table into TypeScript. For example, user model and file model. Whenever data needs to be stored or retrieved, Prisma communicates with PostgreSQL. So the request flow. Suppose a user clicks split PDF. The request follows this sequence. React component feature function, then finally, the application uses PostgreSQL with Prisma ORM for database operations, JWT for secure authentication, and modern front-end technologies like React and Next.js to provide a responsive user experience. That's a complete overview of my project, PDF Master. Thank you for watching. I would be happy to answer any questions.